Hey fellow travellers, and welcome back to 𝗂𝗟𝗃 Journeys. Are you getting ready for an amazing adventure at sea with MSC Cruises? It's an incredible experience, but a few simple mistakes can turn a dream vacation into a stressful one. But don't you worry, I've been on my fair share of cruises and have seen it all. Today I'm sharing 20 essential tips and hacks to help you sail smarter. This guide will help you avoid common pitfalls, save a ton of money, and make your MSC cruise absolutely unforgettable. Let's dive in. A perfect cruise begins long before you step on the ship. These first few tips are all about savvy planning. That myth about getting a better deal on the drink package once you're on board? It's just not true for MSC. You will always save money, sometimes up to 20%, by purchasing your drink and internet packages online before you sail. Lock in those savings early. Letting MSC pick your cabin can save a few bucks, but it's a gamble. Are you a light sleeper? Check the deck plans. Avoid booking a cabin directly below the pool deck or the nightclub. A little research ensures you'll be sleeping peacefully while you sail to your next destination. Some of the best excursions sell out fast. Don't wait until you're on the ship to make a plan. Research each port ahead of time. Look up the top attractions, read recent reviews, and check out travel forums for hidden gems. Decide what you want to do in each port and make reservations early, especially for popular tours or unique experiences. And remember, you don't always have to book through the cruise line. Local, highly rated tour operators can offer incredible experiences, often for less. Just be sure to check their credentials and reviews, and always allow plenty of time to get back to the ship before departure. Planning ahead means less stress and more fun on your cruise adventure. This is a non-negotiable rule for a stress-free start. Flight delays and cancellations happen. Flying in on the day of your cruise is a risky gamble that could lead to you literally missing the boat. Give yourself a buffer day to relax and start your vacation without anxiety. It might seem like an unnecessary expense, but it's your ultimate safety net. From lost luggage to unexpected medical issues in a foreign country, travel insurance provides peace of mind that is truly priceless. Are you a loyal traveler with another cruise line, hotel, or airline? MSC's Status Match program is one of the best perks out there. Before your first cruise, you can submit your status from another loyalty program, and MSC will match it, giving you instant benefits like discounts, priority boarding, and other onboard treats. It's free and takes just a few minutes online. You've planned, you've packed, and you're finally on board. Here's how to make the most of your time at sea and in port. The ship's Wi-Fi can be slow on embarkation day when everyone is trying to connect at once. Download the MSC For Me app at home. You'll be able to check the daily schedule, make reservations, and chat with your travel buddies from the moment you step on board for free. Don't come home to a shocking phone bill. As soon as the ship leaves port, switch your phone to airplane mode to avoid enormous cellular roaming charges. You can still connect to the ship's Wi-Fi to use the app and any internet package you've purchased. While on board everything is cashless, you'll want some cash for tips and for shopping in ports. Research the local currency for your destinations. While many Caribbean ports accept USD, having some euros for a Mediterranean cruise is a huge help for taxis, small cafes, and local markets. Have all your documents printed and in a folder ready to go. Your cruise ticket, luggage tags, passport, and any necessary visas. A little organization makes the check-in process smooth and fast, so you can start your vacation sooner. The most popular dining times, especially the early seating, get booked up quickly. As soon as you book your cruise, select your preferred dining time. If you wait, you might be stuck with a time that's too late or too early for your schedule. Your key to everything happening on the ship is the daily program, delivered to your cabin each night and available on the app. It lists show times, activities, restaurant hours, and even drink specials. A quick look will ensure you don't miss out on any of the fun. Remember to pack for everything: swimwear for the pool, something elegant for formal night, comfortable shoes for exploring ports, and maybe a light jacket for cool sea breezes. But you don't need to bring your whole closet. Pack versatile items you can mix and match. When you first board, it can take a few hours for your luggage to arrive at your cabin. Keep a small carry-on bag with you containing your essentials: any medications, a swimsuit, sunscreen, and a change of clothes. That way, you can head straight to the pool instead of waiting around. MSC is known for its spectacular Broadway-style shows. They are world-class and included in your cruise fare. Make sure to reserve your spot through the app or the interactive screens on the ship, as the theatres can fill up. Between the sun, the salt water, and all the exciting activities, it's easy to get dehydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. You can bring a reusable water bottle and fill it up at the buffet. These ships are massive floating resorts. On your first day, take a walk around and discover all the hidden gems: the quiet lounge with the best view, the aft pool away from the crowds, or the library. There's always something new to see. A cruise is a culinary journey. Be adventurous in the main dining room. Try the escargots or the daily regional special. It's a fantastic opportunity to broaden your palate without any extra cost. With all the delicious food you'll be eating, taking the stairs is a simple and effective way to get some exercise. It's also often much faster than waiting for a crowded elevator. This is the most important tip of all. You're on vacation. Not every single moment has to be planned. Some of the best memories are made when you just relax, soak in the ocean views, and let the day unfold. And there you have it. 20 tips to ensure your MSC cruise is smooth sailing from start to finish. What are some of your best cruise hacks? Share them in the comments below. Let's help each other travel better. If you found this guide helpful, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to Forever Diverse Journeys for more travel tips and adventures from around the world. Until next time, happy travels.